So as soon as the coast is clear, we're gonna try and make a little 8th mile hit here in Mexico for scientific purposes. I'm not even gonna clean the tires off. Yeah, that might have been a mistake. We didn't run a whole 8th mile there at all. 0 to 67.2. That's horrible. Smoked the tires. As you can see, when it records, it even tells you the distance it took you to travel that. Tells you your current bests and all that. Really didn't get a good hit back there. Smoked the tires, let's be honest. Try again either later or another day and see if we can actually get some real data.